Hey guys, today we're checking out the zoom test between the iPhone 17 Pro Max and last year's 16 Pro Max. Now, both of these phones give you 15 times zoom while recording video, but the 17 Pro Max goes all the way up to 40 times digital zoom, while the 16 Pro Max tops out at 25 times. Alright, this video is recorded on the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Now let's switch over to the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Okay, here are some side-by-side zoom photo samples. Honestly, this is where you can really see the jump. The 17 Pro Max just gives you that extra reach, and it's pretty wild compared to the 16. And finally, here's a clip from the iPhone 17 Pro Max while I'm switching between the lenses. So yeah, that's the zoom test between the iPhone 17 Pro Max and the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Let me know in the comments, do you think the extra zoom on the 17 is worth the upgrade, or are you good sticking with the 16? If you found this helpful, don't forget to drop a like, and of course, subscribe for more tests like this. I'll catch you guys in the next one.